After completion of my graduation, I once applied for the railway job, but I unable to get that. After which I enrolled for the CA examination. I took that course and enrolled for the CA articleship. My principal CR Vasant Kumar, he is the key person who has prepared me as a tax professional in the 3 years about how to start the individual practice, how to fulfill the compliances of on the behalf of the taxpayers to the tax authorities, how to represent with them. Actually, my principal CR Vasant Kumar is the role model of me to become me as a tax professional. My journey as a tax professional, I did not find that much difficult because my seniors has always supported me regarding the appeals and regarding the drafting. My seniors, time to time, they guided me. After started my individual practice, they timely guides me. And regarding the appeals, they told me how to represent everything. They teach and guided me. Because of my seniors, I did not find that much difficult to do this work. The three things I have done to become a successful as a tax professional, that I strongly taken the decision that I have to become the tax professional. After I taken the decision, I never filed any application for any job. This is the decision what I have taken in my life to become a tax professional is as a my career. Secondly, I never follow money through this profession. I done my work honestly on behalf of the taxpayers to file their complaints to the government. And thirdly, I always educate taxpayers regarding these tax laws, amendments, penalties, everything. Because the taxpayers is the source person. They only make us to become the tax professional honestly. Without their support, we could not file regular complaints to the government. Regarding the time management and balance of work with the life, is that we need to fulfill our compliances timely, and if we finish our official work, if we completed our official work within the time frame, they automatically there would be a balance between our work and life. I'm getting support from my clients. I'm getting support from my well-wishers. I am going to be identified by the online platforms like your tax pyramid to do my taxation work honestly and for the betterment of the taxpayers and the society to develop this nation. They make me happy to do my work. So I need to move forward. My future plan is to establish a strong platform for the taxpayers as well as young aspirants of the tax professional, it is a need to give a way to raise the voice of the taxpayer before the government, before the authorities, what they have the issues with them. We need a strong platform. That is my future plan. And also to encourage the tax professionals to come forward into this field. I strongly believe that if our seniors, if our tax professional bodies encourage the young aspirants to join this tax profession, this would be a good decision to do this work. My message to the tax professionals, young aspirants who want to join, that I know everyone doing job for getting money, but this profession is to develop the nation as well as your future and family. You will recognize as a nation developer from this tax professional. This field is for self-satisfaction of job as well as money. Come forward to join this tax profession and be a patience. Keep patience. Your financial career will automatically boost from these professions after your capability, after your knowledge, and after your ethics. But one thing, one should not cheat this profession. I heartily thank the team of Tax Pyramid who identified me and allow me to share my experience and thoughts about tax professionals and taxpayers. I appeal the readers to please come forward to read the articles, to take the knowledge what tax pyramid is, have the initiative that distribute that knowledge with their through their IT portals and through their YouTube channel. May God prevail them all the success in future to serve the society, to build the nation. Thank you.